Dear job seekers, welcome to Tara Nawa's vibrant world, brimming with endless possibilities. Today we're excited to announce a fantastic opportunity. We're searching for a motivated cashbook and debtors clerk on behalf of one of our esteemed clients. Our client specializes in supplying a wide range of lubricants, oils and hydraulics for diverse applications across industries such as industrial, mining, marine, agriculture, automotive, manufacturing, energy, and construction. With over 25 years of bunkering experience, they're a trusted supplier of heavy fuels and diesel import and offshore Namibia. What sets them apart is their innovative approach, offering unique combo solutions that meet their customers' needs. Operating in a fast-paced and dynamic business environment, our client is seeking a self-driven individual who thrives under pressure and brings expertise to their team. Don't hesitate. Seize this exceptional opportunity by promptly submitting your application. For more information on these enticing job openings and to apply seamlessly through our user-friendly platform at Jobportunities.net, simply click the link provided in the video description below. Ensure to stay updated on new postings with your support through likes, shares and subscriptions to our channel. That will help you, but also enables others to pursue their professional goals. Sending warm regards and positive vibes from our charming town, Swakopmund. Rest assured, we're here to offer unwavering support as you navigate your career journey. Until we connect again, take care.